Hey everyone, Nick at MarineMax and Crosslake here showing you a 2024 Cobalt R4. We've got this awesome navy with the Cabernet boot stripe. We'll hop inside, take a closer look. At the rear of the boat, we have this aft-facing rumble seat that can lay perfectly flat. The flip-back rest can also be converted into a flatbed. This boat features a 6.2-liter MerCruiser, 350 horsepower. At the midship of the boat, we have a drainable storage locker here, as well as our trash receptacle, additional storage space. At the helm, we've got dual Garmin screens, so we can have our navigation, gauges, split this however you want. This boat features the Mercury digital throttle and shift, also known as the DTS, with active trim control and push button start. The co-captain seat is also reversible, so we can have rear-facing lounge. The bow comfortably fits 3 people and has deep storage under each of those seats. This boat also features a bifolding wind gate. This will cut down on any breeze on those late night drives. This boat features color matching JL audio throughout. The R4 also features the patented Cobalt swim step that's super easy to use. You can check out this boat on our website at MarineMax.com, or you can stop in to the Crosslake location and see this boat for yourself.